Chee. The stick defense is the very important for martial arts. Today I will learn how to defend yourself with sticks. The stick fight is the most popular all over the world for every martial arts person. So I'm going to show you that this popular martial arts for everyone. Okay everyone, get started now. Let's do it. At firstly we have to stand in these positions. This is the way to hold a stick. Hello everyone, okay let's do it now. This is Monk Kungfu tutorial channel. I'm Chai. He's my brother. His name is Ma Uchin. Salute. He cooperated to me how to do defense and fight to the stick fight art. Okay, let's start now. Firstly, we have to stand with defense. Okay, this is defense and turn alert for fight. Okay, start fight. Block. This block will protect your head and your body, and you have to kick to the stomach. Front kick. Kick and kick, and then kick to the enemy with sticks, and then this leg, right leg go up, and you have to jump, swipe jump and double hit to the enemy. Okay, again, hit, kick. Block, kick and hit, and then hit to the enemy. Kick. Thanks all my viewers for watching my videos. I will come back again to stick fight with stick 2. Till then, bye bye.